Hi there. Welcome to the last module in APA 58. So this is my data protocol here. In here I have a 6-step cyclical process, meaning that as I go through all these steps, once we get to this last reflect piece, we're going to start back over. So it begins with a purpose or question. We're looking for opportunities in the school that we'd like to address. Which of these opportunities are top priority for the students? And then we're going to develop the question or purpose of this. When we move into the next stage, collecting data, we're going to think about what type of data sources are available to us that would help, like demographic data, assessment data, perception data, any of that stuff. When we get a nice amount of data collected, we can then synthesize that data together in this analyze stage to determine what story our data is telling us and sort of think about what options we have available for school improvement, which then drops us on the plan stage where we look at all these options and we decide what's the best for our students, and we create a plan of action and we determine how long it'll take us to implement that plan. Moving into the implementation stage, teachers will implement the plan. Before they do that, they'll explore what type of steps would exactly needs to go through that and what barriers they could run into. And like I said, then we go back up to reflect. After a certain amount of time, is our plan working? Is it helping students improve? Do we need to develop a new plan? Do we need to modify the current one? And then we go back into creating or modifying our purpose or question. So to break this down, I have all these questions lined up for each of these. So this is meant to be done one at a time. This is not going to all be done one sitting, but we start in one day. Teachers will go through these questions to develop a purpose or question, or maybe it'll take a week, however long it takes them to do. They'll go through questions to collect data at a different point in time that'll help them organize their data into a useful format. Same thing with analyzing. They'll synthesize the information, analyze the options. Everything that we're doing up in the graphic organizer, or up in the data protocol, it's just now downlisted in the actual graphic organizer. And yeah, that's what that goes through. My thoughts on this is that this will probably help teachers organize their thoughts. This is probably a graphic organizer that after using it a couple times, I might modify it a little bit. This is obviously just my first attempt making one of these, but I think it's a great start to get teachers thinking about what improvements they can be making for their students. And I like that it's cyclical, meaning that any teacher can use this and start analyzing their own data and then just continue the process going forever and ever for as long as they're teaching. All right, thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.